Good morning, and welcome to PacRobo Pulse for Wednesday, November 26, 2025. We're midweek, and global markets are buzzing with central bank signals, geopolitical shifts, and a tech sector bracing for another round of earnings. Let's dive in. We'll start in Asia, where the Bank of Japan surprised traders overnight by preparing markets for a possible interest rate hike as early as December. The yen has been under pressure for weeks, and policymakers are signaling they may need to act to keep borrowing costs from drifting too low. It's a rare hawkish tone from the BOJ, and global currency markets are reacting quickly. Across equities, the tone is broadly upbeat. Weak U.S. economic data boosted confidence that the Federal Reserve is heading toward a December rate cut, with rate cut odds now sitting comfortably above 80%. That pushed Asian and European stocks higher, while U.S. futures point to another steady session. Over in commodities, oil prices have stabilized after dipping to one-month lows. Renewed peace talk momentum between Ukraine and Russia eased supply shock fears, lifting Brent crude back to around $62 a barrel and WTI to roughly $58. Gold is also holding firm, supported by expectations of lower U.S. rates and continued central bank buying. Meanwhile, Bitcoin is trying to rebound after a 6-week slide, with long-term sentiment still optimistic despite near-term volatility. In corporate news, it's a busy week for tech earnings. Companies like Analog Devices, Dell, Autodesk, and Workday are set to report, and recent pullbacks in AMD and NVIDIA show how cautious traders are ahead of the numbers. Big tech remains a stabilizing force though. Google, Amazon, and Meta are all trading slightly higher into today's session. Sugar markets are also making headlines. Prices have inched higher for a second straight day as India considers diverting more sugarcane toward ethanol production, a move that would limit exports and tighten global supply. And in Europe, sentiment remains mixed. Germany's ifo Business Climate Index slipped unexpectedly, signaling softer winter demand. The DAX managed a small gain, while France's CAC 40 drifted lower. That's your Wednesday briefing from PacRobo Pulse, a blend of central bank signals, commodity stabilization, and cautious optimism heading into a busy tech earnings cycle. Stay sharp, stay strategic, and I'll catch you in the next update.